What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about the borders and in CSS. So border is a line that surrounds an element like a frame around a painting. Borders can be set with a specific width, style, and color. The width is the thickness of the border. A border's thickness can be set in pixels or with one of the following keywords: thin, medium, or thick. Style, the design of the border. Web browsers can render any of the 10 different styles. Some of these can include none, dotted, and solid. And then the color of the border. The web browsers can render colors using a few different formats, which has 140 built-in color keywords. So you can define a border like this. You have the border keyword, and then you have the width. You have the solid, if it's solid, dotted, or none. And then you have the color of it. So this is essentially the style, this is the color. In the example above, the border has a width of 3, a style of solid, and a color of coral. All three properties are set in one line of code. The default border is medium, none, and then color, where color is the current color of the elements. If width, style, or color are not set in the CSS file, the web browser assigns the default value for that property. So the web browser assigns, so we have here in the example, the border style is set to solid and the color is set to coral. The width is not set, so it defaults to medium. So let's go ahead and do some practice with this. So add a dotted red border line with a 1 pixel thickness to all H2 headings. So we'll do border. And we have, let's add in the 1 pixel, and we have thickness, and then we have dotted, and we have red as the color. Then we're gonna hit run. There you go. And then add a solid white border with a 3 pixel width to the hashtag banner. The hashtag banner content right here. Okay, perfect. And then we'll do border. We'll do 3 pixels, solid, and then white. And voila. And that's how you get that. So that's gonna end it right here. So that was borders in CSS.